Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to customize TalkBack's gesture to swipe left with 3 fingers option in Motorola Edge 15 Neo phone. First of all, where to look for TalkBack's gestures. So, settings, then in settings we are looking for accessibility options menu, then TalkBack, next in settings we need to go to customize gestures. Here we are looking for the 3 fingers option. So 1 back and forth, 1 angle, 2 and 3 fingers are here. And here we have our swipe options. So swipe left with 3 fingers, here it is. And as you can see, we already have an assigned action under this shortcut, but we can change it to whatever we want from this list, and it will also change in this description. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.